When I started my new job, everything was exciting. But it was also a lot. So many tasks, you know? I mean, they just piled up. What time was the meeting? The next deadline? When was the trip? Was it Thursday? I mean, it was exhausting. But one day, I took that pile and I made a list out of it. And finally, it all made sense. And the best part about it is waking up to a clean slate with a clear mind. That's how a day starts smart. Now, what's the plan for today?
One night I asked Mom for help because there was the shadow ghost in the closet. And then she said that when she's scared of something, she writes it down. Because when you write something down, it comes out of the shadows and you can look at it. After that, we went through the house and looked if we can find more. And yes, there was the fluffy attic monster, the dancing spider, and the squeaking bed troll. Now Mom and I, we made a list of books that we can read without the ghost and stuff.
Everyone thought it was a joke. It's true, hiking across the whole continent sounds funny. But I meant it. You just gotta break these big goals into smaller steps. I even got my best friend all fired up. So I shared my list, and we started together. We created a workout plan to get in shape, researched the route's milestones and equipment, planned care packages to be sent to checkpoints, and located spots with water supply. With each step, our excitement grew, and our goal got closer and closer. And today, we reached the coast.